here now, Rhonda.
Oh no, we're here
Oh,
now.
we're here now, Rhonda.
We can tape all this.
We're here now, Rhonda.
Yeah. Now we gotta go push hard to get somewhere to come around. Ah. Woo, baby.
My hands are sweaty.
You're killing me.
Feel the miles.
Other side, Margie. We'll loop around, big loop.
Feeling the miles.
Big loop. Big loop. As we loop around and come by, we're going to the doctor now. Big one. We're making a bigger loop.
What are we doing?
Come on.
Come on. Run the baby.
Rudder, rudder, rudder.
Well, rudder and then we stop.
I know, that's the thing.
Why we don't have enough power up
I
here?
know.
We don't have enough horsepower. Now
All
where?
right.
Other side?
You could turn around here.
All right. Canoeing Buffalo Camp Bayou. Margie, not the tree. Joe and I got really troubled in the tree. We're good. Everything around. We can run in this side of it.
Which side of it?
Let's go right up the chute.